My name is Phil Fogg. I'm the president and CEO of Marquee Companies. We are a skilled and assisted living provider, also do home health. And then we have a subsidiary organization called Consonus Health Services, where we provide rehab, pharmacy services, consulting services, and data analytics. Last year I was able to present at the PCC conference, and my topic was knowing your data in all the pay-for-performance areas and what a strategic imperative that was. And I think as we see the alternative payment models and managed care continue to grow as a percentage of our admissions, knowing your data is still relevant. In fact, I would say a year later, it's even more critical. I think organizations that do not know their data, cannot tell their own stories to their payers, are going to be at risk. So this year I'll be presenting on a panel at PCC, and the topic that we'll be discussing is managed care. Managed care is clearly impacting providers all across America, and it's a very interesting topic and very timely. There's different maturity levels in these managed care organizations, but there's definitely some strategic imperatives for a skilled nursing facility provider to focus on. Hospital readmissions, lengths of stay, and our ability to get functional improvement more efficiently so that we can lower that length of stay and get people safely back to the community. Our 5-star scoring is really the way that we're being assessed to even be able to participate in or with a managed care organization, and the customer experience. All of these are the most critical elements to being able to work with managed care organizations. You cannot expect them to come to your organization and say, you guys are doing great in all these different pay-for-performance areas, and so we want to pay you more because of that. It's just not going to happen. You've got to be able to know your outcomes in all the pay-for-performance areas and be able to sell yourself and the value of what you're doing. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of some of the themes and topics that we'll be discussing in our panel. When we're completed with the panel discussion, I'll be back at our booth and be willing to engage anyone in further discussion and go deeper into these issues.